crazy here. I'm here just to show you the second lake located in this area. The first one is right here. I'm gonna leave the link right here, you know, if you haven't seen it yet. Just for all of you guys only to review this place. Maybe you've been thinking, you know, it's no big deal, but for me it's a lot, because anything with the nature is the full connection of ourself. Let's see this place with the camera. Let's go. I hope you fully enjoy every single detail with the drone. You know, the capybaras, the yellow flowers, all those details, you know, guys. And the little vegetation, the wildness, you know, around this beautiful lake. Small, but so much power of the nature. Nature is home. You keep it safe, guys. Don't throw garbage in the natural environment. If you're coming here on bike, car, please just don't start a fire. Please take care of the home. This is all our house. It's a big home for all of us, guys. So we have to take care of it, all right? So no more else to say. Leave a comment below if you like this video. What do you think? Also a thumb up and subscribe, because it's for free, right, folks? So until the next time, guys, I love you. Old food energy. Ciao.